Hi parents, I'm going to show you now how your child's daily math will go. Starting in the math class page, your child can scroll down and they can do math after lunch, take a break off the computer for a while, that kind of thing. Since it's week 1 right now, I'm going to click on week 1. And in week 1, today's Wednesday, the first day of school. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Wednesday, week 1, day 1. Tomorrow will be Thursday, week 1, day 2, and Friday. If I click here on week 1, day 1, I go to the essential question, which is just thinking time. They don't have to respond. They don't have to write anything down. Just think about how can place value help us understand numbers. It just gets them thinking about the lesson that's coming up. After that, they click next and they have the learning video. This is a second grade review, so hopefully they covered it in second grade. Who knows what was going on last year with all the craziness. So that's why we're starting there. The place value video is here, and once they've watched the video, they can click next. At that point, they're going to be taken to a quiz, which is we just want to know how much they can do on their own and where we can help if needed. So the questions, when they click on the quiz to take the quiz, they'll have the questions. I've already attempted it, and so they're showing up like this, but you should have a button that says take quiz, and it's all about place value. I didn't answer any of the questions, and so I'm getting all of this, you left this blank, that kind of thing going on. This is what they would see after. But when they take the quiz, they'll answer some questions, and then they'll click next. So expect that page to look a little different for your student because they haven't taken it yet. The last thing that they will do in math each day is going to be a fact practice time. And this page just says that if you have your own flashcards, you can go ahead and just have your student work on addition and subtraction facts with his or her own flashcards. If you don't have flashcards, there's a link right here that says that if you click on it, will take them to an online game where they can work on flashcards. And the online game changes each day, so it's not always the same game over and over. If you are interested in printing off flashcards for addition and subtraction, there are links included here. Just understand that each one of these is 8 pages long. So we're looking at over 50 pages or about 50 pages of printable material here. So I understand if you don't want to do that. Clicking here takes your child to the fast facts page for today, and they can go ahead and click on addition or subtraction. I would prefer that they work on both for the day. It should show up. It's taking forever. Since they're on a computer, they can click keyboard. If they're on a tablet, they can click touch screen. And it will give them a math problem starting up at the very top. 10 math problems after they've chosen whether they're going to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Addition and subtraction, perfect for right now. And they just have to answer. 6 plus 8 is 14. And then they just wrong or right. When they're done, it'll tell them how long it took to answer those questions, and then they'll be given the option to play again. So if they get a green check mark, it's right. If they get an X, it's wrong. And then they just try again to get their next fact. Okay. After that, your child is done with math for today. And it says here, don't forget to do your reading because not everyone's going to be doing the exact same schedule. It doesn't always work into everyone's day. As long as the work gets done that day, that's perfect because there is new work for tomorrow. We just don't want it piling up. Again, if that created any questions or concerns in your mind, feel free to let me know. Contact me using your contacts, but hopefully that was able to answer some of your questions, and now you know what your child is expected to do in math each day. The pattern is the same. The learning video changes and the questions on the quiz will change, but the pattern is the same. Essential question, video. Some questions about the video, fact practice. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Contact me if you have any questions.